from sad stories of vanishing. I look at you now, as always, you're keeping a straight face, acting like you truly love this place. You see, I'm told the place that you long for, so the shadows won't dance on your walls anymore, where the nightmares will leave.